So let's head in. This is not beginner friendly, please. Anybody who is a beginner should leave. There are different tutorials. So now you're gonna make a slip knot. But if you know you're a beginner, you can do it the way I'm doing it. You can stay though. Then making a slip knot. I make a slip knot. After making the slip knot, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After chaining 4, you're going to make a slip stitch in here into this first chain. So how to make your slip stitch? You put your hands in between so that you can find the space you're going to work in. So you grab the yarn. After grabbing the yarn, you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you pull through. Now you have that space. So now you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to work double crochets into that space. Grab your yarn, insert it into that space. You pull it. You have 3 loops on your hook. 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. So you're going to pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's how you make your double crochet. Now you're going to be making 3 more so that you can have 4 double crochets. Make the second one. 2, 3, and 4. After making 4, you're going to be making a treble crochet. Like make a treble crochet. So you can, it's also the same thing as triple. You have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. You did it 3 times. That's why it's called treble crochet. Now you're going to chain 2. After chaining 2, you're going to insert your hook in here into the first chain. Then you grab. You have 2 loops on your hook. Then you make a slip stitch. Now you're going to be making another treble crochet. 1, 2. Insert in there. You make a treble crochet. After making a treble crochet, you are going to put 4 double crochets in there. Double crochets. 4 double crochets in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after you made it, you see it's like a heart shape. Then you make a slip stitch. If you want your heart shape bigger, you can use bigger yarn and bigger hook. Make your slip stitch in there. Now you have a heart shape. Now you want to make other vines like this. The way this one are. Let me show you. So you're gonna chain 24. 1, 2. It's based on the size. You can see it. If you want yours longer, you add more chains. If you want yours shorter, you reduce the chains. So now you're gonna make 24 chains if you want to do it like mine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Mind you, those 4 chains we made is for the heart because it's 24 chains. If you let me say you are making 10 chains, you want 10 to be the distance, you add 4, so you have a total of 14. But I want 20 to be the distance and I added 4 for the heart shape. You understand? Now you're going to make a slip stitch into that 4th one. If you are making 15, for example, you can add 4 chains, which is 19. Then you see, that's how you make it. So now you're going to make a slip stitch into that 4th chain. It's the same process as before. Make a slip stitch. You put your hand so that you can find the space. Make chain 2. Make 4 double crochets in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how they do it. Then you make your treble crochet just like how you did this one. That's how you are going to be doing this one. That's how you are going to be doing it on until you get to the length you want. When you get to the length you want, I'll meet you back again. So after getting to the end, let me say you are hanging it on a wall hook, a wood, or even a nail. This is how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna give it some distance like this to hang it. If you're hanging it on a wall hook, a nail, or the wood, so you give it something like this. Then let me say this is the nail. You hang it on top like this. This is the nail. You hang it on like this. So now you're gonna cut off the yarn. I'm quickly gonna cut off the yarn. Then after cutting off the yarn, I tie it with this. I double knot it. I don't double knot it though. Let me just double knot it. 1 and 2. So it's done. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. If you are watching this from TikTok, follow, like, add the favorites, comment, and all of that. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe, comment, and like my video. Thank you. Bye.